Okay guys, here we go. Rain Song Tutorial Part 3. Okay, so now we're talking about the bridge, okay? So keep in mind, I didn't mention this earlier, but try to keep in mind that there are really two guitar parts in here, okay? There's a distinct acoustic guitar, which is the part I'm obviously teaching today. And there's an electric guitar part, okay? So we are, we're doing sometimes we're kind of weaving in and kind of copying a little bit of the electric guitar, but mostly we're really sticking pretty tried and true to the acoustic part like it is on the studio record. Okay, so this is what I do in the bridge, okay? So check this out. Okay, so I have my first finger kind of feeling like an A chord, although it's not really an A chord because of the tuning, right? So I have my first finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, and I'm hitting the open 5th string and open 3rd string there too. So I'm like to like a kind of what would be a G in standard tuning, right? So I have my 2nd finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, blocking out the 5th string on purpose and hitting the 4th and 3rd string open too. So. And I put my 3rd finger on the 5th fret 5th string and my 2nd finger on the 4th fret 4th string. And again, just really hitting those 3 strings, the 5, 4, and 3 strings with the pick. Walk down to the 4th fret on the 5th string, walk down to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then back to that 1st finger on the 2nd fret 4th string as my first chord. So it's... The electric guitar is doing kind of a riff like this. Yeah. I'm not going to really show that to you because, like I said, I'm trying not to blend the acoustic and electric parts right there. So again, that bridge part. Do it 4 times. Into another verse. You're into the 3rd verse, which is actually the final verse in the song. That verse is going to be the A section again is 4 times. So the A section happens 4 times in the song, 4 times, 2 different times in the song, I should say. It happens in the 2nd verse, the true 2nd verse, and in the 3rd verse. So after that 4 times in the 3rd and final verse, you do the B section once, and then our last video, our part 4 video, is going to be focusing on the outro, which is probably my favorite part of the song. It's really great. Alright, so stay tuned for part 4.